Our short phrase and sentence for you today is kwemnaka, which means shake my hand. That is what we do in Igbo land. That's how we welcome visitors. Kwemnaka. And when we tell you this, what is the response we're expecting from you? You will say, were akam. Were akam. Some people will just say, were aka, which means, have my hand. Were akam or were aka, have my hand. Please take note of the color of each word that make up the sentence or phrase, as they are meant to identify their individual meanings, which will guide you to understand the composition of each phrase or sentence. And as you do this, please go out there, take a note if possible, write down what we are saying or giving you each day, and go out there to practice it with your friend, with your neighbor, with your colleagues, with your visitors as they come into your house. Please remember to say kwemnaka, and as you do, it's important that you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss our next upload. You need to also like and comment so that we can know how to serve you better and help others to discover this also.